Right now I'm coloring the baby bear orange. And Lina's using pink to color the clouds. Brown. Now I'm gonna color the ear part brown.
I'm done doing the pink one. Which one I'll do orange? Which one I should do
Take orange and color this whole bear orange. Okay, Lai? Bears are omnivorous. Bears in other families eat baby bears. And bears eat grass, fish, and there are two types of species in North America. They are called the black bears and the Harris's bears and the brown bears. Brown bears are bigger and stronger than black bears. So that's why black bears hide on trees, climb on trees to protect themselves from them. And Harris's bears are white because also they eat more fish. Now we're going to the next page. I'm gonna color the cow black on the stripes with black.
I want to color.
My sister's going to color some other animal.
Hey, what is Reggie?
Okay. And she's gonna color it red.
This one.
No, wait. Color the grass. My sister's going to color the grass red. Stop that lie. I'm making my concentration gone. So And cows give us milk. Probably we all know cows give us milk. And cows, but we don't know that cows have flat teeth. They have flat teeth to chew plants properly. Lions have claws and sharp teeth to tear off the meat and eat. Doesn't matter. Just get coloring. Don't color that. Color this grass. Color this. Now my sister's going to color the other page full of grass. The other page. Alright, I'm almost done the cow. Whoops. Proper. Now just need black. And that part should be black. And that part. Now I need brown for the hoods. Oh, what the? I'm so confused. There's brown and pink. Okay.
I'm done of the glasses.
Now don't color anything, Lai.
Why?
Hey, stop coloring the horse red. It should be brown. Wait, I'll give you brown. Alright. Give me the... No! Keep this brown. Oops. I better find this. Alright. Because of her. Hey! Don't color that. Don't color it. I want to color the horse hood here. I want to color the ears. This
I'm
part.
gonna color the bounce.
Oh, forgot the pig. We'll complete that after the horse.
And then the grasses are everywhere.
She completed the grasses. So Lena, color the legs. Color the legs, but color the body first. I'll color the legs. I'm gonna color the hoods. I think you all are wondering what are hoods. Hoods are these things attached to the horse. These things are called hoods. So they make them run faster, and the hood is made of keratin. Keratin is a strong type of material which all animals have, and our fingers are made out of keratin too. Now we're gonna keep coloring.
It's stickers. It's stickers.
My sister has a cat sticker and a rabbit sticker. Forgot to mention that.
One sticker.
Don't you dare.
And then
Stop fooling around and color. I'm gonna color the pig now. She's still gonna color the horse until it's complete. So I'm just gonna keep coloring the. Oops. I just need to color the pig's hoods. too.
pink.
Yep. Take this. Color this part. Color this part. And color. Pigs give us meat, I guess. I don't know what the pigs give us. Okay, stop doing that lie.
Which color this is?
Don't take that. I'll do
This. No.
Okay, I'll tell you to color.
This one alone.
Wait. Don't color that, okay? I'll tell you. Color this part. This one. Okay? Color that green. Okay, my sister's gonna color the sky green. While I just color the pink. Because I don't wanna make her ruin the ruin the photo and stuff. And don't you dare color anything. I don't want her to ruin the animal pictures, how they look like, so that's why I just told her to color the
doing
sky.
something else and we're coloring with this.
Well, I'm coloring the pig.
And I'm not going to color pink. Baby color outside this.
So she's coloring the sky green.
We're going to do some coloring to put this one to color green.
And over there, my mom's recording and stuff. I know that.
And we're just doing coloring.
I've been coloring since a long time. And right now, completing like lots of pages, I just don't know. Like
What is
1, 2,
it?
like let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We colored 13 pages. This is our like 14th page we're coloring. And I don't color the horns. Only color the sky. Color up here. Color this one. So now I'm almost completing the pink pig. So now I'm gonna show you so far how we did the page. Wait. Don't take it live. Put it back there. Now I'm gonna show you how we colored the 2 pages we colored. So it was 3. Yeah, it was 3. So this was the one I colored before my mom was recording, and this was the next one. And this one we recorded it because my mom got the idea. And this one we're doing right now.
Pink color.
Nola, I don't take pink. So
This color.
brown. Don't color anything, okay? Keep coloring this part. Keep coloring. She's gonna keep coloring the sky. Green. Oh, I just. Okay, after finishing this, we're ending the video. Alright, babies. Don't mind her words. She speaks really bad language. You know when she's like magical or something. Whenever we call her baby, she turns into a real 1-month-old baby or something like that. And whenever we call her Lina, she'll turn back to normal like this. Right now she's like Now when I call her Lina, stop doing that. She'll still be a baby sometimes. So that's why most of the time I don't talk to her. Stop that! Don't mind her voice. She's super noisy. Now I've been coloring a lot since a long time. Since like 3 or 5 days ago. Yeah, since that. From 32 I completed till 18. I just did it backwards since I couldn't like do the front page and stuff because I didn't want to, because it was too much. So I started from the back page, which is less. So I'm just finishing the goat. Now baby, we're gonna end this video. I'll just show you how it looks like. Now we're ending this video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
And make sure to check out my channel, Ganesh Get to Know Me. Alright? Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Don't
And
forget
make sure
to subscribe and make sure to do something else when you do. And we're doing clean our teeth.
And make sure to hit that like button for us to make more videos. And don't
hit
forget to
that
subscribe.
like button.
And hit that like. And hit that bell icon. So,
we're gonna do
bye
something.
you.
Bye. And we're going to make sure ready of the lights.